How to fix Facebook Friends shortcut bar missing. So if you're facing a problem with a bar on Facebook, then first of all, let's open up the Facebook application. And now here on the upper side, you can see that I have that friend request option on my bar, right? So if you don't have that option, then I'll show you a way. First, go to the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon. And then you can simply scroll down and go for settings and privacy. And then again, you can tap on settings. And here if you scroll down, you will have a navigation bar under your preferences, so you can simply tap on that navigation bar and then you can tap on customize the bar. And now here you will have friend request option, right? So if you want your friend request option on your bar, then you have to simply tap on the drop down bar and then you can choose pin. You should choose the first option, and after choosing that pin, now you can simply go back, and if you check your navigation bar, now you can have that friend request option. So that's it. That's how you get your friend request icon on your bar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.